Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to Milky Way Mysteries. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been buzzing around. An asteroid named 2024 YR4. Yep, you heard it right. So, is Earth in danger from this celestial visitor? Let's rewind a bit. In December 2024, astronomers first spotted 2024 YR4 cruising by our planet. Back then, it was just a harmless flyby. But what's got everyone talking is its potential return in 2032. Initial calculations by NASA showed about a 3% chance of impact. That's roughly a 1 in 32 chance, but don't start panicking just yet, because recent data has actually lowered those odds. Phew, right? Now let's talk about the size of this space rock. 2024 YR4 is roughly as tall as the Statue of Liberty. Not exactly a planet killer, but it's what we call a city killer. If it were to hit a populated area, it could cause some serious damage. Think of it like an uninvited cosmic guest you definitely don't want crashing your party. So what can we do about it? Well, remember NASA's DART mission? That was our first attempt at moving an asteroid, and it was a success. We've got about 8 years to prepare if needed, but that's not a lot of time in the cosmic scheme of things. NASA could potentially organize a similar mission, but it would need quick approval and a hefty budget. But wait, there's more in our asteroid defense arsenal. We've got options like nuclear deflection, which is more of a last resort. Then there's gravity tractors, ion beam deflection, and even painting the asteroid to change how sunlight affects its orbit. No kidding, folks. Now, predicting the exact impact point is a tricky business. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. The more data we gather, the better we can track this space rock's path. And the more we learn, the better prepared we can be. Here's the reassuring bit. These odds tend to change as we get more observations. Most times, they go down as we get better data. Remember, 1 in 32 means there's a 31 in 32 chance it'll miss us completely. So while it's something to keep an eye on, it's not something to lose sleep over. NASA and other space agencies worldwide are watching this visitor like hawks. And we've got time to act if needed. I'll keep you all updated if anything changes. So, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news and mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. Remember, folks, keep looking up, but keep your feet on the ground. See y'all next time.